All right, team, Saturday morning. It is definitely daybreak, whatever, dawn, sunny out. I don't know how to describe that. We usually don't film this time. Once a week pickups. We got 4 wheels. We got a lifter thing. Lifts the seat of the wheelchair. Raises you up and down. These are what lock your wheels. If you can imagine, you flip the lever and then it pushes this against the tire so you don't roll away. Oh, and this is a handle. That's aluminum. Aluminum. There's aluminum bitsies on here. And 2 motors. There's a motor here and a motor here. But all we're after is the aluminum bitsies. And then the rest goes to church. We already dropped off 2 motors at the church and like a big piece of heat duct stuff and some other metal doodads we picked up from Once a Week guy, and then we just swung by the church and dropped off the big chunks of steel that we knew we weren't going to do anything with. So we only brought home the stuff we're going to work on. I don't know. Oh, garage door is still broken. The guy came by, gave us an estimate. I think it was $250 to replace the spring. That's a little more than I want to spend. So I'm not sure where we're at on that. Yeah, I haven't made a decision on that. I don't know. We haven't fixed the spreader yet. I was looking at other spreaders, and it's just a cotter pin on the other spreaders. At least the ones I've been looking at. I thought it was some fancy wire thing. I'm still thinking I'm just going to stick some wire, like a coat hanger, in there or something and just wrap it around there. Like push it through and then wrap it once around the shaft so it can't slide back out, and cut it to length so it'll stir the stuff. Because when it doesn't stir the stuff, it doesn't like to fall out the bottom. You got to bunny hop it around. I think that's it for now. I am ready to get on the road and go start mowing and stuff. So I will catch up with you sometime this afternoon. All right, team, Saturday afternoon. That is the maple stump. That's where I tried to chainsaw it. I tried to chainsaw it into like quarters so it'd be easier to do, but the chainsaw did not want to cut down through the end grain. Anyway, that's how tall it was. About 18 inches. So we cut it 18 inches lower, and then we split it into all these pieces instead of having just one big round. I guess let's go take a peek at the stump. I can't see my phone screen. That guy's smart. I think I can see him. Hey, buddy. Where is he? There's a second one, but I can't see enough of my phone screen. Is that him there? That's him. Hanging out in the shade. Scaring each other. Oh, that's better. Bye-bye. Yeah. This is that maple tree we cut down a while back. We left like I guess the stump was 18 inches higher. Now it's about 3 inches high. Hard to say. I can't see my phone screen, but it's about that high. If you can see the white stuff, that's some kind of stump eater stuff. Oh yeah, and I'm paid by the hole, so I drilled a lot of them. But that's some kind of stump rot stuff. I'll go get the bottle. I still have the bottle. It's that stuff. Stump remover. Destroys stumps. Ooh, it's from Spectracide. You know it's good. Anyway, they already had it, so we're gonna give it a try. All right, team. Saturday night, middle of the night. We lost our Rockstar Party status. I think we went like 25 hours, and then I just passed out. Anyway, we made it back. We got everything unloaded. There was a little thunderstorm with some really, really minor hail, like beanbag styrofoam size hail. And I don't know, I took a nap. I think I took a 4-hour nap. We're up. We got stuff to do. We broke our hammer. It didn't have a wedge. Is he gonna sit there? Yep. It had this. That's what was holding the head on. So it didn't take very many whacks before that just slid right off the top. So my plan is I don't have a wedge. I'll probably shoot a screw or a bolt down in there to, fatten it out and make it grip. But we're going to try and fix the hammer. We're going to do the scrap down. I'd like to get the pin in the spreader, or the wire in the spreader. And then we got to swing by a rental tomorrow and work on the lawn. So my plan is we'll work on the hammer, the scrap down. We'll put away some of these tools. We'll work on the spreader. Yeah, I think that's it. I might try to take a nap and then go work on the lawn tomorrow. Or we'll just stay up, work on the lawn, and take a nap after. I don't know. I'm not thinking clearly yet. But that's our future plan at the moment. Let me go ahead and pause you up. We'll think it over. All right, team. Sunday morning. I think it's dark dawn. Oh. Yeah. You can kind of see the sun is going to be coming. That's the east. That's what it looks like over on the southwest. So, she'll be coming up that way. Anyway, we are on time or on schedule or whatever. That's what we're going to go with for a spinner. I'm not 100% happy with that, but this was too thick to go through the hole. This was too thin. I like the way this, you know, worked out. My problem was it kind of drug. So it was going to grind around on the bowl as it went around. This is what we ended up using. Just a long cotter pin. The only problem is the metal's soft because it's meant to be bent. The metal on these two guys, much stiffer. I think it'd last longer. I'm concerned when I dump the fertilizer in there, it's going to crush it down, and the fact that it has to grind around through it is going to bend it around the shaft. But we'll have to try it and find out what happens. The sledge. We cut off the funky top to it. It was sticking out. And then I don't have any, I probably have a wedge somewhere, but I just shot a couple screws in it. This one broke off. I didn't pre-drill because the idea is to split it and make it. So we'll have to swing it a few times and see if it's in there. Recycle for the church. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Good thing it's magnetic. It'll be easy to find. I got a vacuum too. All right, church. We scrapped down all the aluminum and whatnot. This is going to the church. That's steel. The other stuff's going to church too, but I threw it in there. But I'd like to make a run to church and get this out of here before I kick it or trip over it or something happens. We still got to go do that lawn today, but it's dark dawn, so we're realistically 3 hours away, probably 3 to 4 hours away before I could do it. So I'm not sure the plan. We're going to stall. I'm not going to take a nap. I'll stall doing something and then we'll go do it. Anyway, let's call it a video for you guys. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. We'll catch you next week, team.